One person died and many others were injured in eastern Uttar Pradesh's Balia district after a tussle between the police and a BJP MLA and his supporters over alleged trafficking of cows. The Balia police had seized a truck carrying 7 cows on Friday, saying the paperwork wasn't in order. The truck and the cows were then brought to the local police station. Soon after, the local BJP MLA Upendra Tiwari arrived at the station with his supporters and asked the police to release the cows, saying they had been bought from a local fair and were being transported with all legitimate paperwork. When the police refused to release the cows, there were clashes between the MLA supporters and the police resorting to a lathi charge and tear gas shelling. A supporter of the MLA died in the incident. There are allegations that he was shot by the police though denied. Alok Pandey is tracking that story and now joins us on the phone line. Alok, what more do we know about this incident?
Well, the police are claiming that the paperwork was not in order, and that's why they had seized the truck and brought it to the police station. The BJP MLA and his supporters are saying that the police, in fact, wanted a 50,000 rupee bribe from the driver of the truck, who was a villager who lives nearby and who was taking the cows for his personal use to the village. And the MLA and his supporters also claimed that when this bribe was not given, he was beaten up. And then the truck was seized and brought to the police station, and that is why the MLA went to the police station to stage a dharna. He also says, he also denies police claims that they started assaulting the cops there first. He says that the police carried out unprovoked lathi charge and even alleges that there was firing from the police. This is something that the superintendent of police of Balia has denied. He said that the body of the person who has died will be sent for a post-mortem, and there are no reports, at least with him, of any policeman using his gun to fire at anyone. He says that yes, there was a lathi charge, there was tear gas shelling, but there was no police firing, and he only says that they used rubber bullets which were fired in the air and not at anyone. So at the moment, the situation there is a little tense. Additional forces have been called in from other districts. The BJP supporters are saying, or the supporters of the BJP MLA are saying, that they will not let go of the body of this dead person till there's some semblance of justice, or at least the cops of the concerned police station are suspended. So the stalemate there continues in a way.